If you want to connect your HP SmartTank 7301 printer to Wi-Fi, this video is for you. Now, if you're thinking the setup process is going to be complicated, don't worry at all. I'm here to tell you that connecting your HP SmartTank 7301 to Wi-Fi is actually really simple. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup process step by step using the HP Smart app. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, on your printer's control panel, press and hold the information button for about 3 seconds until all the buttons on the panel start flashing. This puts your printer into setup mode. Now, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together to make the power button and Wi-Fi button start flashing. This indicates that your printer is ready to connect to a wireless network. Now, grab your smartphone and download the HP Smart app if you don't have it already. Once installed, create a new HP account or sign into your existing one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, don't worry. I've got separate videos linked down in the description for those. You can pause this one and check those out anytime. After setting up the HP Smart account, navigate to the app's home screen and select Add Printer. Choose the New Printer option from the displayed menu. Locate the HP SmartTank printer series in the list and select it to begin setup. Allow the app a few seconds to automatically scan and identify your Wi-Fi network. When your Wi-Fi network appears, enter your password and select Continue. The app will instruct you to press the blinking information button on your printer's control panel. After your printer connects to Wi-Fi, return to the app and select Continue. Review the printing services information displayed and select Accept All to continue. If requested, install the paper and ink cartridges as instructed, then select Done. Your HP SmartTank 7301 printer will now display at the top of the app's home screen, indicating successful setup and readiness to print.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.